Namaste. This is Mansi Gulathi, your face yoga expert. 3 steps for healthy skin. First, we'll do simple massage. So how you're going to do massage without any cosmetic, without anything. Let's do it. First, close your eyes. Hold. One more time. This helps to clear all the toxins. Very good for increasing blood circulation. So very simple way. Hold here. This helps to stimulate your nervous system too. And nicely massage. Clear all the extra fluids from your face. So sometimes puffiness is there. This is because we eat lot of saturated fat that contains sodium attain water from your body. So second tip, drink lot of water. So with the water we can do one exercise. Fill your mouth with water and hold. I'm doing it without water, but you can do with water too. This is excellent for cleansing, very good to control puffiness and excellent for glowing skin. Let's do this again one more time. Now you're going to hold it with me for 30 seconds. Inhale. Relax, release. One more exercise, best exercise, this we called squeeze pose. Inhale, squeeze your face tightly and hold your breath. Now the third step, diet. Diet play very important role. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food and water. Of course, you are going to drink a lot of water. Now, before meal, what exercise we need to do? This we call Mahakriya. This is your third step, taking care of your healthy skin and body. Keep your hand like this, make a fist, close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Very slowly come forward. Exhale. And release. So the 3 steps. First, massage. Second, exercise. Third, before our meal, we should do this kriya. This we call Mahakriya. Make a fist. Close to your navel. Deep inhalation. Slowly come forward 6 times. Always stay healthy, happy, positive with yoga. We'll come back again. Thank you.